Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this witch, Mokoko. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the brim of the hat. Let's start on the left and let's draw a long wavy line across and up like this. And then on the left, let's draw another wavy line across on top. Now underneath in the center, let's draw another curve over to the right side. Now before we continue the hat, let's hop underneath and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and in. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And then close it off with a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop back up and let's finish drawing the hat. On the left, let's draw a curve down and in underneath. And then for the right side, let's continue it by curving it down. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the top of the hat. Starting on the right, let's draw a curve up, bring it over to the left and down. And then curve it back up and in underneath. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw some details to the hat. On the bottom left corner, let's draw a flower, starting with a small circle. Now let's add the flower petals by working our way around. Next, let's hop out and let's draw a curve across on the right side. And then we're going to hop on top of the flower and let's draw a curve over to the right. And let's add another one on top. Now this time, let's hop up and let's start on the right and let's draw a curve over to the left. And another one on top like this. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop back down and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up in the center. And then let's work our way out to the right with a zigzag line. And now let's curve it down on the right side. Now let's hop over to the left and let's do the same thing. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves out and up, leaving a gap in the middle. Now underneath, let's draw a long curve down and up. And then inside, let's add a large oval. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw a circle on the top right corner. And a smaller one underneath. And lastly for the eyes, let's hop out and let's draw 3 curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a heart shape for the nose. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down, bring it across and up. And now underneath, let's draw the teeth. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 V-shaped points. And then work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 lines down. And then let's add a circle in the middle. Next, at the bottom here, let's draw the bow. Let's start with the curve across. Bring it down on both sides. And another curve at the bottom. Now from the top corners, let's draw a large curve out. And then let's curve it down and back in. Now for the bottom part of the bow, let's draw 2 curves down and out from the middle here. And then bring it up and in. And that's it for the bow. Now let's continue drawing the dress. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 lines down like this. And then let's hop in and let's draw 2 wavy lines. Now for the bottom part of the dress, we're going to hop down and draw 2 curves out. And close it off at the bottom with a wavy line across. And lastly, for the dress here, we're going to hop in and we're going to draw a border with a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop back up and draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's bring it back to the dress with a zigzag line. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a point up and back down at the top. And then 2 more underneath. And 1 more angle back down to the dress. And that's it for the arms and hands. Lastly, at the bottom, let's draw the legs. Let's start with 2 curves down and out in the center. And then 2 more curves in from the sides. And connect it across with a zigzag line. Now for the feet, let's draw a line down underneath each side. Angle it back up. And 1 more point in the center. And that's it for Witch Mokoko. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!